All right, this is your overview video for the week of March 22nd through March 26th. And in writing this week, we are going to take a look at an opinion text set on clutter. So the topic is all about clutter. And what we're going to focus on this week, guys, is like really what writers can do, what strategies we can use when we're not given a whole lot of like information in those articles or in that text set. So we are going to plan on a 4-paragraph essay this week. Now we're taking a look at our weekly breakdown. So on Monday, we will talk more about this in our 9 o'clock meeting, but if you can, try to bring that clutter text set with you, or you can follow along on the screen, but you will need to at some point print that on Monday, read through the prompt, and then begin to set up your matrix. And then on Monday, you're just going to read and code source 1, filling in your matrix as you read. Then on Tuesday, you're going to find that text set on clutter, reading sources 2 and 3, and then completing the matrix or the outline. On Wednesday, that's when you're going to go ahead and open up a Word document and save it. I would save it as clutter essay. And on Wednesday, you are going to write your introduction and your first body paragraph. So again, just keeping in mind for time management purposes, that introduction should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Your first body paragraph should take about 20 to 25. We want to make sure that we include some text evidence in that first body paragraph that supports our opinion. On Thursday, again, we're going to meet at 9 o'clock. We'll be talking a little bit about the first body paragraph that you guys wrote, kind of talking a little bit briefly about the second body paragraph. On Thursday after our meeting, you will complete your second body paragraph, again, spending 20 to 25 minutes on that paragraph. Today, on Thursday, we want to make sure that we include a variety of text evidence, and that could include quotes, paraphrasing, examples, or even definitions. Finally, on Friday, we're going to wrap up our essay, writing our conclusion paragraph, and then uploading the completed essay to the assignment submission link. Just keeping in mind, guys, that writing is the first state test that we will complete. And so far, that date has changed from April 7th to April 8th. So we have less than 20 days until we take our writing FSA test. So this is going to be the focus of our live meetings in the morning. So please make sure that you come prepared in the morning, that you have a pencil and paper ready, and that you have these articles with you each morning. Let me know if you have any questions about this week in writing.